Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.